This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix Wi-Fi weak security problem on iPhone. So follow these simple solutions to fix this issue. The first solution is forgot your Wi-Fi. Open your iPhone settings, tap on Wi-Fi, tap on this info icon next to the Wi-Fi you are connected, tap on forgot. Now reconnect to the Wi-Fi and then check the issue. And the second solution is reset network settings. Go to General, transfer or reset iPhone, reset network settings. Once done, check the issue. And the third solution is reset your Wi-Fi router and then check the issue. And the last and final solution is reset all settings. Go to General, transfer or reset iPhone, reset all settings, and hope this solution will fix the issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5 Minute Solution. See you in the next video.